Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Now first, let's start with the prayer. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Kids, our today's alphabet is Y. Small Y. Y says yak. Y says yak. Y says yo. Y says yo. Kids, now last alphabet is small z. Small z. Z says zip. Z says zip. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Kids, now open your English notebook and we will write small y in notebook. Starting from blue line, you have to make like this small u and then standing line till red line and left curve like this. Y says yak. Y says yak. Y says yo. Y says yo. Next is small z. Make a sleeping line on blue line like this. Slant line till another blue line and then sleeping line touching this slant line like this. Small z. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Now let's repeat. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Y says yak. Y says yak. Next is capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Now let's write the same in notebook. Let's start with capital Y. Make a slant line like this from red to blue line and another slant line from red to blue line touching the first slant line. Capital Y. Small y. Make small u in two blue lines, standing line from blue to red line and curve to left side. Small y. Capital Y. Small y. Capital Y. Small y. Y says yak. Y says yak. Y says yak. And now we will write capital Z from red to blue line like this. Capital Z should come in 3 lines and small z in 2 blue lines. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Z says zebra. Kids, this way you have to write Y and Z combined alphabets in your notebook.